guys, welcome back. Today we are doing another thrifted home decor video. I have been thrifting, garage sailing, just moseying around the town trying to find some good stuff this past week, and I did. I found some really great deals. I still can't believe some of the prices that I got some of these items for, so let's get right into it so that I can show you all of the good stuff that I picked up. Okay, so first up I found these wicker trays, and as you can see, it's quite big. I love using these for ottomans, for like a guest bed to put, you know, like a little thing with the Wi-Fi password, some water, that kind of thing on. No, we don't have our guest room ready, but maybe someday. I did see when I went to Target after picking this up that Target has a very similar one. I think it's in the Magnolia line, and it's around $20. I think the only difference was it was maybe like a little bit darker, but I mean, if you wanted to change the color, you could do that if you wanted to. It doesn't bother me being this color, but I got it for $1. I also picked up this one. It is very similar, about the same size, but this one has, you know, like a lip on it or an edge on it. These are just really easy things to style and just kind of pretty up the space. So I picked those up. While we're on the subject of trays, I also grabbed this silver serving platter, and I have several of these. I've got rectangular ones. I have actually a few circular ones already, and I'm actually gonna collect more. I'm gonna use these for a tablescape here soon. But I got this for 50 cents. You can find these all over the place. And I actually really like the patina on it. I know some people like to polish these, and you can get them like brand new looking if you polish them. I can't remember what you use to polish them, but you can definitely clean them up if that's the look you like. I prefer them to look patina than old, so I won't be cleaning mine. I mean, I'll clean it, but not like, you know, polish it. Up next were these books. So garage sales are the best place to find vintage books. I got these for 25 cents a piece, and usually when I see these at antique stores, like the pretty ones, they are usually $5 and up. So $5 is usually the lower end. 25 cents, can't beat that. These ones are decorative, so I don't really care what they're about. I did actually pick up a real book that I'm gonna read for like $1.25 while I was there too. So you can obviously find newer books. And then I found these bottles, and got 3 different ones. The 2 with the pink were 50 cents each, and then this one was 25 cents. They all need cleaned up a little bit, but I'm gonna be doing, oh no, that one's broken. I guess this one's broken, I did not realize that. I'm gonna be using these for Halloween, so I'm looking for just like little glass bottles. But yeah, so they need to be cleaned up a little bit, but other than that, just super easy and cheap decor for Halloween. I love this one. Oh, it says Listerine on it. I have no idea how old it is, but they originally got it for $1, it says here. I got it for 50 cents, so. Up next was a Facebook Marketplace find, and I did spend a little bit more on this item. I have a very specific project that I have in mind for it, so I was willing to spend a little bit more, and ultimately for each piece that I got, it was not very expensive, but it is this dish set. So I got 2 of these pretty bowls, and they say historical ports of England. They're made in England. I got the entire set, which is 2 little bowls, 7 of the dessert plates, and 7 of the larger plates, all for 35 bucks. So I feel like that was a really good deal. Initially, when I saw the picture, I thought these were like a blue-black, like a really dark color, and they're not. So they're gonna work anyway. They're really pretty. I also have a china cabinet that could really use some pretty plates, so I thought this would be good for that. And last but not least, I got these chairs. They are just absolutely gorgeous. I didn't notice until I was filming this that this one is missing some of the wood right here and around here, but honestly, not a big deal at all to me. I got these for $9 a piece, so less than $20 for both of them. They are a little bit wobbly, but they have all of the pieces, so they just need some clamps, wood glue, some screws, and they're gonna be sturdy and good as new. So I'm very, very excited about this find. I feel like this is one of the best finds I've gotten in a really long time. I'm not so much into the painted furniture right now. I'm loving just it looking beautiful and antique and keeping them that way for as long as possible. All right guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and be sure that you're subscribed, especially if you're into like Halloween home decor. I've got some really cool stuff planned. I'm very excited. This will be the first fall and Halloween that we've had our channel, so we're gonna be just sharing some really, really cool stuff, and I am already planning away and I'm very excited. So be sure you're subscribed, bell notifications on, and we'll be seeing you very soon. Bye.